This is a straight from the heart message for all those students who are appearing for their 10th and 12th boards this year. You have seen what we haven't even imagined of, a pandemic of the proportions of a science fiction movie, a movie in which there is so much death, so much suffering, and you've actually seen that happen right in front of you. My hats off to all of you students who have successfully changed your basic habits, your basic patterns. You have adapted beautifully to blended learning, to online learning, something that you've never thought of. And you've been heroes every single day. So, with that, I'd like to say no matter how you do, you have already won. And remember that the 10th and 12th, these are only assessments. They cannot even attempt to measure the kind of brilliance that you have as individuals. They can never measure your uniqueness. They can never measure your individuality or what you actually bring to our families. So, God bless all of you. Give it your best shot. But that's about it. Don't do much more and move on. Now, specifically as a mother of two board students, Raima and Ridhima, my warrior princesses, I've always been very proud of you. I'm now immensely proud of you. I will always be immensely proud of you. I love you. And no matter how you do your exams, I will still be your mom. You will still be my daughters. And I still love you with the same intensity. And I thank God for the kind of beautiful children that He's given me. So God bless you and kill it.
आरुष मेरा ग्रैंडसन बहुत खुश है, रिलैक्स्ड है एग्ज़ाम्स को लेके, क्योंकि हमने उसे समझाया बेटा हमें नंबर गेम में नहीं जाना है, बस अपना बेस्ट दे दो, वही एग्ज़ाम होता है, वही बोर्ड होता है, इससे ज़्यादा कुछ भी नहीं होता। और तुम बच्चों के बैच ने तो वो सब भी फेस करा जो आज तक किसी ने भी नहीं करा है। पेंडेमिक, घरों से पढ़ाई करना, घर में बंद होना, जब वो इतना सब कुछ इजीली तुमने हैंडल कर लिया, एग्ज़ाम क्या है? नथिंग, कुछ भी नहीं है बेटा, आगे बढ़ो, हम सबका आशीर्वाद है। ऑल द बेस्ट, लव यू आरुष।
Hi everyone, this is Rahul, father of Shaurya Raste. As you all step out for your first board exam of your life, here are a few things I would like to tell you. Number one, come what may, whatever is your grades or marks in the board exam, nothing changes for the love that we have for you. Number two, of all the successful people you know, most of them don't remember their class 10th exams. So, just keep relaxed and composed and just give your best shot. It's the discipline and the efforts you make which are more important than the grades you score. All the best to everyone.
Hello everyone, myself Ruchi Singh, mother of Ekansh Singh, grade 10th, St. Xavier's High School. So this little young boy who was there in my arms long back, little baby, is now ready for his first national examination. It's conducted by the CBSE, class 10th board exams. So I wish him really all the very best, and I know you are a very responsible boy. You aren't scared of anything. I know this, that you are quite responsible, quite understanding, but still there are fears when you do things for the first time. Let me tell you, no mark sheet, no marks can judge a human capability, his future, his or her future, ever. But yes, they do provide you a little more confidence. They tell you about your shortcomings. They do take, they make you they make you confident enough to face the world. They can never tell you how much capable you are, because nothing in this world, no paper, no printing can tell you in this world how capable a person is, how many skills the person possesses. है ना, which a person can acquire on his or her own will. So the mark sheet is just a stepping stone which has to be faced with confidence, and which you are. I think every child in the world is capable of. Nothing, no problem in the world, no challenge in the world is bigger than a person's capability. And we are way beyond, you are way beyond that. Human mind, human body is full of capabilities and skills and creativity. No mark sheet has been ever designed to judge that. And me being a mother and you being my son will always share the same relationship, same loving bond. Always there with you in all your difficulties and your needs. Wishing you all the best here. Okay, bye.
Hello everyone, I'm Namrata, parent of Advika of grade 10, studying in Unison School. Advi, you're writing your board exams and I wish you all the best. Your dad and me are behind you, cheering you to the finish line. I know you really worked hard for your exams. Now, at this stage, you might be feeling stressed, confused and overwhelmed. This situation would be same for everyone. Don't panic and keep going. The potential in you is breathtaking. Give your best and do remember that your whole year's preparation cannot be judged with the marks obtained in the board exam. And always remember that the results won't be a measure of you. Sometimes things will work out exactly as you think, and sometimes things will be different. Exams will test your memory and your understanding on a particular concept, not your intelligence. You are a miracle, my dear. Have faith and always believe that you will achieve anything you set out to do. All the best, my baby. And do remember that we are always behind you, no matter whatever is the outcome. Love you.
Hey kids, everyone out there appearing for 10th exams, first of all the best to you. At the same time, remember, 10th is not everything. Whatever marks you get for 10th exam, well, they are important, but they are not the important thing in the life. So never worry whether you are just passing, you are getting just passing percentage, or you are getting distinction, or you are getting some special recognition like 95% and 98%, like the temperature you get in a body. So don't worry, it is not end of the life. Don't take stress, it is just one exam. I grade my hairs here, and that grading of hairs is really, I never excelled in my 10th exams, or I took 6 years to clear out a course of 3 years. But it doesn't matter. I mean, it's just another year, another couple of years. For me, they were like 3 years extra. But you will get there. I'm happy with whatever life I'm getting, whatever things I learned, whatever things, or however the life I'm living. So it really does not matter how much. Exam cannot be your exams or those few questions cannot define your destiny, cannot define your career, cannot define your the life. It is just one of the landmarks in your life. Okay, some people get it very, very bright, some people don't. But then after 10th, just try to pursue what you like. And that's the most important thing. And whatever makes you happy is what you should go for. Never take any pressure, never go for, any higher expectations that, okay, my mom expects me to be a doctor, or my father expects me to be an engineer. Doesn't matter. Do always whatever that makes you happy, and that's the most important thing. So cheer up, all the best. Don't take any tension, and I am sure you'll be fine in your life. Don't worry, don't worry. All the best. Bye.
Best of luck, my little daughter. Do your best for your exams.
Best of luck, my Didi, for your board exams. Do your best.
Hello friends, my name is Monica. I'm a soft skills trainer by profession, and both my children, Raghav and Stuti, are appearing for class 10th and class 12 boards. बच्चों ने बहुत मेहनत करी है, स्कूल ने और टीचर्स ने भी उनके संग बहुत मेहनत करी है, एंड माई ओनली मैसेज इज़ इट हैज़ बीन अ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट ईयर फॉर एवरीवन एंड आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ यू चिल्ड्रन. आप जो भी करोगे मुझे पता है यू विल डू योर बेस्ट, and I really want to tell you, no matter what, we will love you and support you always. All the best, children. All the children. All the best.
My heartfelt gratitude to all those parents and grandparents who just poured in their messages for their children the minute I asked them to. Thank you so much. It's people like you who make the world a much better place, a more positive place for our children to thrive in. So God bless all of us.